Welcome to Quick Fix That, the channel where we give you the solution for that problem as fast as possible. Let's get started. Today I'm going to show you how to remove Facebook account permanently, very easy and fast. Okay, go to Google and search Facebook to enter to your account. Once you are in Facebook logged, go to your main page and open the window pushing the top right corner button. That is your profile photo, then select Settings and Privacy. Here push Settings. A new page is opened and you should select Personal Details on the left. Okay, here in this new page select Personal Details again and then select Account Ownership and Control. Here is where you can choose deactivation or deletion your account. Push that button. Select your account and then you'll have to choose between deactivate temporary or delete permanently your Facebook account. In our case, push delete and continue. Now you can choose one of the options here to give to Facebook a reason because you want to leave and then continue. Facebook is sad because you decide to leave and offer you options to avoid that, but you are pretty sure about your decision. Let's push continue. In this window, you have options to maintain some information and chats before delete. We don't want to maintain anything. Let's continue. Almost the last step. Here you have to enter your password to confirm your identity. Finally, the last step. Here Facebook explains you that you can reactivate your account if you log in again in next 30 days. Then, to finish, push delete account. If you found this tutorial useful, let us know in comments, push like button and subscribe for more quick fixes like this.